the people. How did they get here and when? How did people, raise your hand, how did people get to Central South America? How did people get there? Where did they come from? Let's see. Gabe, what do you think?
Maybe like a canoe.
Maybe a canoe from where? Okay. Let's see. I'm looking for a new voice I haven't heard from. Helen, what do you think? Where did the people come from?
I think they got there from the Ice Age.
And where did those people come from?
Just the people that were in the Ice Age, and then they got stuck on the. They went to where they
Sam?
They came from Asia.
They came from Asia. What is the thing that they crossed? It starts with a B. Let's see. Okay. Beringia. Perfect. So, write this down. People got there. When I say there, I mean to Central America. About 15,000 years ago. They came across Beringia from Asia. So they came from Asia. They crossed during the Ice Age into present-day Alaska. Now, doesn't that sound a little familiar? Who else did that exact same thing? The Inuit? Anyone else? Jacob. The Haida. These people, put it away. These people are the same people as the Inuit and the Haida. They came over at the same time during the Ice Age. Except when the Inuit came, they just went straight across Canada, went to the Arctic. The Haida kind of traveled down Alaska, near Canada. The Mayan kept going. They went through Canada. They went through all of the United States, all of Mexico, to Central America.
That's a lot of travel.
That's a lot of traveling, yes. So, they spread through North and South America. Some of these people settled in Mexico. Now, when they got there, it was not a jungle. It wasn't a tropical forest. It was grasslands. So, what are some ways that you could tell that someone lived in a certain spot thousands of years ago? How do people know? How can people say, for sure, I know that the Mayans lived here? Sam?
Artifacts.
Artifacts? What do you mean?
Like,
Like what? What's an artifact?
like something that they had. Like
Something they used? Weapons?
Houses. Or transportation.
Transportation, maybe? Yes, Ella.
Like pots and bowls.
Pots and bowls, utensils. Lyndon?
Like ruins stuff, like
Ruins of what?
houses.
Of houses? Yeah, definitely. Of houses, of fire pits, of doors. We'll take two more. Caitlin and then Jacob.
Maybe there was like a special kind of rock that in Asia that they brought down to where they were now, or to where they were, and it was like a special tool that originated back in Asia
Maybe.
from that time.
Jacob?
Cave paintings.
Cave paintings?
Yeah, of themselves or like hunting stuff.
Maybe. Alright. True. How people can say with certainty the Mayans lived here. They found stone tools. Exactly what I think Sam and London were saying. They found stone tools in Mexico from 11,000 years ago. 11,000 years ago, Mayan people were using these stone tools in that exact location. Like, that's pretty cool that you can pinpoint that. If you find tools in an area, if you find something like that, if you find tools in an area, what does that mean about that area? Raise your hand. I'm looking for hands. Hey,
Over there.
it means people live there. Rebecca, come move up here for me. It means people live there. It means people did stuff there. They had tools, they had a life, and they lived in that exact location. And then, when they left their stuff. That's kind of cool.
Why?
We'll talk about why they left. Okay. So it means people were there. It means people were there. Now before 11,000 years ago, there's no fossil record of anybody being there. There's no fossil record. So if there's no fossil record, what does that mean about that location?
How do you know if they were there?
Let's see, I'm looking for hands, Bella.
If there's no fossil record, it probably means that nobody lived there.
In that exact location, it had seen no humans until that point in time. So I want you guys to imagine an area of land that has never seen a human before until that point in time where a human comes and brings their tools and leaves it there. That's kind of cool. That they can literally track to the year that you guys showed up and started living there. Sam.
But how would they know that it belonged to the Maya tribe?
They would have to do research. They would have to figure out what is unique to that culture, to that civilization, that keeps showing up in all these different villages, and that's how we can pinpoint that it's definitely about this tribe. It's definitely this one and not another tribe.
Was there ever tribes that were like spread around everywhere so they couldn't tell?
We'll talk about it. Alright, so write this down. No earlier fossil record means people had to have migrated here during the last ice age. So who has their timeline super available and can tell me when the ice age ended? Bo, when did the ice age end?
10,000.
10,000 BC, the ice age ended. We found fossil records from 11,000 BC. What does that mean? What does that mean? Bo.
That it took them, that it must have been them, and it took them 1,000 years to get from up in Alaska down there.
Yeah, they had a window of time between the ice age where everyone was migrating across with ease across Beringia, and then it took them at least 1,000 years to go from Alaska and traveling all the way to where they ended up, which was Central America. Like millions of years ago. This is almost present day. Remember the timeline? It ends at 1500s. We're only in the 2000s. Like it's not that far long ago. Who's still writing?